So draw your OC and make it have max onion skin. Make sure you put on animation assist. So sorry guys, I didn't do it yet to show you how to put it on. It will come later in the video. So sorry, I will say go back when I show y'all. So you can now move the parts of your OC. Make sure there is only one layer that has the full of all the parts come together, remember, so get rid of the whole one after drawing the parts. Draw it, I couldn't be bothered to draw it at. Sorry sad face, but make sure you take a screenshot after the drawing, but before you have to get rid of the onion layers. Copy what I do and put your image on a new artwork. Copy again, X3. This is how to get the animation assist. To make it smaller, I use this. I'm pressing duplicate BTW. And to turn is this.
What about Sayori?
Where did I get this overwhelming crush? It's sharp as a knife and twice the right.
And do it again, but going up.
There's something I think you should know. I've never seen Yuri so vain and chill and still kinda sweaty. And I don't mind cutting to the chase. I'm in love with you and your gorgeous face. That's a sentiment I can't allow. So my dear friend Yuri, it's getting the point now. Just Monica, 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 just Monica. Could you have guessed? Maybe you knew. Natsuki is next. I'm
And press
delivered
play.
to. We don't need cupcakes or poems or tea. I only need you to love me.